Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete a Facebook page on Android. If you're an admin of a page and want to permanently remove it, this is super straightforward. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right or bottom right, that's your menu icon. Now tap on Pages and you'll see all the pages you manage. Select the specific page you want to delete by tapping on it. Once you're on that page, tap Switch to switch to that page profile. Okay, now that you're viewing as your page, tap on the menu icon again, those three lines at the top right. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Then tap on Settings. Here's the thing. Scroll all the way down until you see your Facebook information or page information section. Now, under that section, look for Access and Control or Account Ownership and Control and tap on it. You'll see different options here for managing your page. You'll see choices like Deactivate Page, Unpublish Page, and Delete Page. Select Delete Page if you want to permanently remove it, then tap Continue. Facebook will ask you a few questions about why you're deleting it. You can answer or skip them, then tap Continue again. They might offer options to download your page info first if you want to save anything. Finally, tap Permanently Delete Page, enter your password to confirm, and tap Delete. And that's it. Your Facebook page is now scheduled for permanent deletion. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.